Hi everyone, welcome to the Nutrition Kitchen. Today we're going to go over how to prepare this tofu quiche with chickpea crust. It's a delicious, plant-based, and high-protein option. So we're going to start with 20 ounces of cooked chickpeas, half a cup of whole wheat flour, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and a bit of salt. Then we're going to have 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of chopped vegetable of choice, 1 block of soft tofu, half a cup of unflavored soy milk, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and again a bit of salt. We're going to start by mashing the chickpeas with the oil. You can use a fork, a potato masher, or a blender or a hand blender, as you can see here in the video. You can use whatever you have access to. We just want to try to get the chickpeas very well mashed. Then we're going to add the eggs and continue mashing and mixing. And once that is very well mixed, we're going to add a little bit of salt and the flour. We're going to use the spatula to mix it well, making sure there are no clumps. And then we're going to add a light layer of oil to an oven-friendly container. And we are going to spread the mixture into the container, as you can see here. We're going to use a fork to make some holes at the bottom, just like this. And then we're going to add the crust to an oven for 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. During that time, we can start sauteing the garlic and the onions until it is soft and transparent. Then we're going to add the vegetable of choice. We are using chopped leek in this video. And then here we're going to blend the tofu with the soy milk and the cornstarch. And this is going to be the filling of the quiche. Once the vegetables are cooked, we're going to add this mixture into the pot and we're going to cook it well. We're going to stir it constantly because you want it to be thick, as you can see here in the video. This is the consistency you're aiming for. Once that is ready, we're going to add the filling to the crust after it had been in the oven for 15 minutes. Now we're going to add it again for another 15 to 20 minutes. And once that is done, your quiche is ready. Enjoy!